Hi, Sebastian. I want to make sure that you are logging in as you, as Sebastian, and that your work is showing up from you. You've been turning in some work under Mrs. Trailer's demo student and under Carrie Cowan. So first, you want to make sure that you are signing in. I'm a student. Then you go down here and you put in your code. So this is your code. And I'm going to email it to your mom as well. FUDWPFVEULGHVKTF. That's your code. Then you press go. Anytime you want to do an activity, let's say you wanted to do this PE activity, you make sure that you are in activities, so you press there, and then you add response. So you go to the green button and you add a response. If you want to do it from our schedule, you go to the schedule and you press the link. It'll take you to Seesaw. And then you want to press the green add response button. And then it will be your activity. And when you do your, and when you do your work, it'll show up as Sebastian's work. So make sure you're pressing that green add response button. Let me know if you have any questions. Okay, bye.